Hi everyone. Today we're going to be working in a Google Doc. We're going to be working in tables and you'll be using emojis. It's going to be a fun and quick assignment. So let's get started. We're going to start with this table that's at the top of your page. This is a table about weather. It says click inside each box to add the correct emoji for each type of weather. The first thing I'll do is click right inside the box beside sunny. To find the emoji keyboard where all those emojis are hidden, all we have to do is go up to the top and press Insert, then down to Symbols, click that, and then move your mouse over and click Emoji. Then type Sun or Sunny and find the emoji you'd like, and it goes right inside your table. So pause and do that. The next one we're doing is cloudy. Put your cursor right here and click on the left click. Then you're going to go up to Insert, Symbols, Emoji. Then you're going to search for cloud. And you can choose any of these clouds you'd like. Pause and do that. The last one we'll do is rainy. Put your cursor here and click right inside this box with your left click. Go up to Insert, Symbols, Emoji, and type rain. And you can choose any of these you'd like for rain. Pause and make sure you do that. For the next section below, you're going to create your table. Before, I created the table for you, but now you're going to create a table. The first thing we have to do is click below the line with your left click. That's so important because that is where our table is going to go. Now, go right back up to Insert, but we're going to click Table. We want a table that has 2 columns and 4 rows. So we'll slide over and go over 2, and then look at the numbers on the bottom. It says 2, then the X and 1. That means 2 columns, 1 row. We want 2 by 4. Drag it down to where it's 2 by 4, and then click right in that last box. Pause and create a 2 by 4 table. The next thing we're going to do is add our words into the table. We're going to put a header in each column. The first one we'll put here, and we'll type in emotion, and then we'll go to the next column, just click over, and we'll type emoji. Pause and do that now. Next, we're going to type in our emotions. The first one is happy. Then I'm going to use my arrow key going down, and then it will be surprised. Then my arrow key going down, and then silly. Pause and do that now. Now it's time to find the emoji that matches the emotion. It's so important that you click inside the box where you want the emoji to go. So I'm going to click right here across from happy. I'll click Insert, Symbol, Emoji, and let's type happy and see what happens. We have all of these emojis that we could choose. Pause and do that now. Now we're going to click beside surprised. I'll click inside, Insert, Symbols, Emoji, and I'm going to type surprised. Then you can choose any of these that you pause and do that now. Next, we're going to choose silly. Put your cursor right there beside silly. Then Insert, Symbol, Emoji, and we're going to type in silly. And that's silly. I can put that right there. When you've added all of your emojis, check your work, and then you're ready to turn it in. You just learned how to format a table and how to insert emojis right inside Google Docs using the Insert menu. I'm so excited to see your work, and I'll see you in the next lesson.